Greetings everybody, welcome back to Onesixtyfourland with another GreenLight diecast unboxing. This is a fragile package here coming from LP Diecast Garage, a new website I just ordered from. I found it was posted on the GreenLight and Green Machines Facebook group the other day, and this company had released their own version of the Ram 3500 flatbed, as well as the Ford F-150 Lightning, the original one from the early 90s, and a Mustang, Fox Body Mustang in that really nice teal green, and I'm drawing a blank on the actual color. So anyway, I placed an order a couple days ago and it has arrived today. So let's see what we got here. There are plenty of packing peanuts here, keeping them safe. So let's see, first one up is the 1995 Ford F-150 Lightning. Again, this is exclusive packaging here. You could see LP Diecast Garage up in the corner. I think this is super limited, only 1,536 pieces made, and considering the desirability of this Lightning casting from the GL Muscle series, it's nice to have an alternative. So they came out in two colors, all right, so obviously white and red, right? You guessed it, white and red. So let's see what else we got here. Nice little business card here. Keep an eye out for new and upcoming releases. Here, there's the Mustang. So here's all their new exclusives. Now, they didn't send me anything. They don't know I'm making this video. I purchased everything just like anybody else. So I just want to get that out there. All right, so this is the red version, and I brought along the GL Muscle version as kind of a comparison. Now I'll do a better comparison once I open the bottom one. You can kind of see the first one. The bed's a little crooked there, but it has the same tubular roll pan in the back. The red might be a little more orangey on this guy, and the wheels might be a little different in color, but overall you can kind of see the color difference in the two there. But overall it's pretty good. The black trim on the front bumper is a little thicker on the LP one, and I wish GreenLight put mirrors on these castings, but whatever. All right, it's got a plastic chassis. I was a little disappointed about that, but some of the other F-150s have metal chassis. All right, so what else we got? So I doubled up. I got one of each, or I'm sorry, two of each color, because I knew I'd be opening them. So here's probably the white one. So there's the second white one. All right, so moving on. Anything else? Nicely packed. Plenty of bubble wrap here. Okay, so this is sharp. This is the 2022 Ram 3500 flatbed. This is the new Ram casting there, and this really nice blue color. It's got the hitch attachment right there. I don't want to call it a fifth wheel, but it's got the post there for the goosenecks. It's got a Texas license plate with LP on it. Some stats for the Cummins motor there. Sharp piece, and I think this one is has a little larger run. It doesn't have the quantity on this, but I believe on the website, I want to say it's like 3,000 something, so almost twice the count. All right, here's another one here. This is their quarter-mile drags. This is the 92 Mustang GT. It's got the monster cowled hood there. Pretty neat. It says 1320 racer on the back window there, so quarter-mile racer. It's got some fat tires. some skinny fronts. I wonder if it's got a turbo, because I think that would be a turbo exhaust, right? Right out the front bumper there, they usually do that. I like the tinted headlights. It's got tinted taillights. Too fast for you. Oh, classic. And it also has a Texas tag, which is interesting, because I think, according to the return address, this company is based out of Pennsylvania. Yeah, whatever. Okay, and next up, so here's the Calypso green. That's it. So Calypso green, Mustang notchback here. Great color, nice wheels. Again, the green itself might be a different shade than the original one, and the coloring on my camera might not be that good. So it's got another LP plate, but it might not be Texas. I can't see. I gotta open it up there. There's some stats for it, for the 5.0. Cool. Nice. And I'm not sure exactly how many were made of this one. Again, I think it's 3,000. I think, did I get 2 of them? I must have. Okay, and just another one. Again, one to open and one to keep packaged. All right, so that's it. Again, these are LP Diecast Garage's new releases here, new exclusives. A couple Mustangs, a couple Fords, and a Ram flatbed. So thanks for viewing. Check out my other unboxing videos of all other exciting diecasts that enter my house and go right into my garage or my basement. And otherwise, we'll catch you on the flip side.